Why don't senior citizens use their laptops at the beach? Because they can't figure out how to keep the sand from getting into the windows. And now let us explore 11 practical tips on laptop for seniors. Tip 1. Simplify the user interface. Many operating systems and software applications have settings that can be tweaked to simplify the interface. This can make it much easier for seniors who may not be as tech-savvy to navigate through different programs and functions. The look and feel of the interface can generally be adjusted in the system or application settings. Tip 2. Get a laptop with a good keyboard and display size. Keyboard size and layout can be a significant factor for seniors, especially if they have troubles with their eyesight or hand coordination. Similarly, a larger display size will make everything on the screen easier to read and to interact with. Tip 3. Use security protection. Elderly people can be especially vulnerable to online scams and malicious software. Therefore, it's important to have a good antivirus program installed and to keep it regularly updated. It's also good practice to ensure that any online transactions occur over a secure connection. Tip 4. Consider the weight of the laptop. As people age, their strength can decrease. A lightweight laptop will be easier to carry and maneuver around, which will be less of a strain on the body. Tip 5. Select software that is easy to use. Many software developers create versions of their products that are geared towards seniors. This software tends to have a simplified user interface and features that seniors find useful, such as larger text size and voice commands. Tip 6. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can save a lot of time and can reduce the need for a lot of mouse movements. For example, CTRL plus C copies highlighted text and CTRL plus V pastes it. Tip 7. Get a laptop with a solid-state drive. Unlike traditional hard drives, solid-state drives do not have moving parts and are therefore less prone to failure. They can also make the laptop run much faster. Tip 8. Take advantage of online tutorials and help files. Most software applications have built-in help functions that can guide seniors through most tasks. There are also many video tutorials available online that can provide step-by-step instructions. Tip 9. Use the zoom feature. Most web browsers and many software applications have a zoom feature. This can make text and images much larger and easier to see. Tip 10. Automate updates. Software updates can provide useful new features and important security patches. It's important to keep software up to date, but remembering to do so can be troublesome. Most software has an option to automate the update process. Tip 11. Get tech support. Many companies offer technical support for their products. If seniors encounter a problem while using their laptop, they can contact the tech support team for assistance. Some companies also offer remote support, which allows a technician to temporarily take control of the laptop to solve the problem.